In today's world, technology is moving faster than ever, and so are your business needs. If you're leading an organization, you know how crucial ERP solutions are for streamlining processes and boosting efficiency. But let's face it, traditional ERP models just can't keep up with the complexity of modern business. Let's break it down. Product-based ERP systems might seem simple, but they're basically one-size-fits-all. You get a single code base, shared databases, and generic functionality meant to suit everyone. That means, if you have unique ways of working or want systems that adapt as your business grows, you're left juggling extra software, managing multiple vendors, and wading through fragmented data. Great for tiny startups? Maybe. So what about service-based ERPs? They're built just for you, tailored to fit your exact needs. Sounds perfect, right? Except, they come with huge costs, long development times, and honestly, a higher chance of failure. If you need results now, that's a tough sell. That's where BET's and the platform-based approach comes in, a true game changer. Imagine the stability and reliability of a proven platform, combined with the flexibility to configure and customize it just for you. BETS offers modular architecture, so you get only the features you need. You can easily adapt your processes, no tech headaches, no waiting months for implementation. Plus, you're ready for whatever the future throws at you, with seamless integrations and customizable reports that actually make sense for your business. With Byte Elephant's technologies, you get more than just ERP. You're looking at a unified and scalable toolkit. ERP, Salesforce automation, distribution and franchise management, HR, warehouse, and vendor management, all on a single future-proof platform. For decision makers navigating today's chaos, the BET's platform approach isn't just an option, it's your strategic advantage. Embrace what's next. Future-proof your business with BET's.